Hey y'all, welcome back to Math Rescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to use synthetic division to confirm whether a binomial is a factor of a larger polynomial. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we want to check to see if x minus 3 is a factor of f. What we're going to do is we're going to divide using synthetic division, and if we get a remainder of 0, that means that x minus 3 is a factor of f. Our binomial is in the format of x minus c, and this c value here is what we end up putting on the outside of our synthetic space. I'm also going to grab the coefficients of function f. So we have an invisible 1 showing up on x to the third, and we also have a 0 making the x squared term. So when I go ahead and record those four values, I'm going to record 1, 0, -7, and negative. All right, so we're all set to go ahead and start our synthetic division. Now remember, the first value in synthetic division straight down, it's just a copy and paste. From there, we do 3 times, that makes 3, and then we add. 0 and 3 make 3, and then we multiply. 3 times 3 makes 9, and we add. -7 plus 9, and we multiply. 3 times 2. From here, I could go ahead and wrap it up. So -6 plus 6 gives me a remainder of 0. That worked out super nicely. That means that x minus 3 is a factor of f. So let me go ahead and write what we have so far. So I know that I factored out the x minus 3. And from above here, I could write the quadratic that remains once we factored out the x minus 3. We're going to be left with 1x squared plus 3x plus 2. And I want to keep factoring a little bit more. I want to factor out the quadratic that stayed behind. So I like to do my quadratic factoring grid. The middle term goes on the bottom, and we want to add to that. Constant goes on top, and we want to multiply to that. The two numbers that are going to do that for me are 2 and 1. 2 times 1, if I check it, makes 2, and 2 plus 1. That's exactly what I wanted. I can go ahead and rewrite this one last time, completely factored out. Get x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 1. And now our function f is completely factored out. All right. I'm Andre with Math Rescue. Subscribe to my channel. I post regularly. My goal is to make you feel more confident in math. All right, see you in the next one.